Subscribe now.
The guy was on his phone. Look at this guy. Huh. Alright, so we are going to go through the village. Because it always looks really, really, really adorable when there's snow, so. And there we go. Welcome to the Big Bear Village, folks. This is Big Bear Lake, California. Once again, this is the snow aftermath of the major snow systems that we had. And guys, my time lapse that's been going since that heavy rain that we had a week ago, or almost a week ago, it's still going, but I noticed 2 nights ago when it got really, really cold, it must have just stopped. So we might have like a half a day missed, unfortunately, of some really good stuff. And I'm really hoping that's not the case, but I'm gonna get that time lapse going tomorrow. They're going to get it going tomorrow, yes. All right, so guys, I'm gonna take the back streets home so you guys can see what it's like. If you want to get to like Bear Mountain or Snow Summit and you're in the village and traffic's a nightmare, check it out. I'm gonna teach you guys from right here, okay? All right, you guys are going to be golden. So we are on Pennsylvania, and we're gonna stay on Pennsylvania until it dead ends, and then you'll see where we go from there. So this is Pennsylvania Avenue, but there are no presidents living here. All right, so once again, you guys are fantabulous. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love. Oh, I love you. Wow, it's so gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh. Just spectacularly beautiful in here, guys. So this neighborhood got a ton of freaking snow. Like, we're gonna drive by my friend's house and I'll just kind of point in that direction and look at the roof. Look at these roofs as we get closer this direction. If you guys can like tell, there is so much snow on a lot of these roofs. Then when we get up to my friend's house, well, that's another friend of mine right there. He is a waiter, a waiter at Peppercorn. But just look at these roofs, you guys. There's so much snow. Oh, hello. Look at all the snow on the roofs, guys. That's insane. Anyway, peace out, guys. So we're on Pennsylvania. We're gonna stay on it till it dead ends, and there is a dip right here, but you know, don't even trip, because it's just a dip. If you're gonna trip, then I say take a sip and smoke some of the whippity whip. All right, we're making a left. So this is Jeffries Road. So basically, you're just gonna stay on Pennsylvania from the village until it dead ends. Make a left and then make your first right. Make it the first right, huh? Gotta make sure I can't see any cars coming down there. It's unfortunate, but we gotta do it. All right, so now we turn right on Oak. Oh, dude, great place to park, man. So my friend slash neighbor was supposed to get the other side of my car in terms of the ice, and he didn't. It's all good though. He wasn't supposed to. He was freaking being generous as hell to help me out, but I can hear it, that it's like when I speed up, you can hear the tires rubbing against the ice. That's not good, because that can explode my freaking tires, and I need to look at that. It slammed on the brakes and we were able to stop. So the first street you see right there before, or right where it says no through traffic or dead end type thing, you turn left at that street. And that street at the moment, guys, what street is this? Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I feel like a jerk. I told my GPS isn't on. Oh, Eureka. So Pennsylvania, then make a left on Jeffries, a right on Oak, a left on Eureka, a right on whatever we're on right now, which I will find out in a moment. So left, straight, left, right, left. Now this is Wren. This is the street that yeah, it's Wren. So okay, we were on McWhitney Lane. McWhitney Lane. Look at these Moors. And then not the first right, but the second one is called Brownie Lane. And this will take you all the way to Moonridge, and you'll pass Summit Boulevard. So Summit Boulevard is what Snow Summit Ski Resort is on. And you'll be able to make a right turn on Summit Boulevard and be just about at Snow Summit. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. So this is Brownie Lane. And the town just looks magical, you guys. It just looks spectacular. I love you guys, man. You guys are awesome. It's a real pleasure doing this for all of you. And as I always say, it keeps me sane, believe it or not. So this street right here, Thrush. This is the street that Carl's Jr. is on, but why that's important for you to remember is that this is one other way to get to Snow Summit, but it's typically the exit. Coming from this way, you'll get a lot of people coming down from that direction, because that's Snow Summit up there. But unfortunately, there weren't, for some reason, anybody coming down. I think because town is so hard to get to today, you guys, that these ski resorts are going to be the most amazing places today. Kind of like some of my ski videos that I have. There's only 2 or 3 of them over the past 3.5 years, but one of those, nobody could make it up the mountain, and the whole town had the ski resorts to itself, and it was unbelievable. Like, I probably saw like 100 people total. It was amazing, you guys. And I wish that again and again and again and again and again. Yes. Ah, shit, man. Oh, come on, dude. Okie dokie, all the chokey. All right, so we are still on Brownie Lane, folks. Coming up to the Brownie lot. As you guys can see by the sign. So the Brownie lot is the one of the satellite parking lots for the Snow Summit Ski Resort, and it's called Brownie Lot because we're on Brownie Lane. What's up, dude? How you doing, dude? How you doing? Snow Summit parking, eh? Look at all these people, man. Just in droves. Want to take a dump over there in the porta potty. That sucks, man. I hate using those things. Especially for dropping diddity deuces. Diddity doo. Diddity doo. So guys, that is the snowfall aftermath for the town. Go. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank God we don't have to go far. right, guys, we made it in one piece. Thank goodness. And yeah, we probably got a total of like 15 inches over here too. Anyway, I love you guys so much. We're charging through my neighborhoods, through the little snow tunnel right here. Looking good, yeah. I like it a lot, yeah. Now we're gonna back this biatch in. Guys, I love you very much. Excuse me for some of my cursing this morning. That wasn't intended to be there, but you know, people like me for who I am, and I'm appreciative of that. Because even though I curse sometimes, it's not in like bad taste, like hurt anybody's feelings or anything like that. I do try to watch it, but forgive me, guys. Anyway, I love you very much, peeps. It is 24 degrees, 11:35 a.m. We're gonna get this uploaded right away. Let's see how fast it takes in Big Bear Lake, California. Peace out, folks. Unbelievably gorgeous.